Welcome back, everyone. Now we'll see how to visualize DEM in a beautiful manner. So I have a Melonji DEMT file. I'll just load it over here. And since you can see my layer is here, but it doesn't look so pretty. So let me first go on my properties and make transparency to 0 so that whatever it was showing as external 0 value of the extent of this DEM layer is now not visible. And now I'll go just to Symbology, single band pseudocolor, and let it everything be as it is. But I'll just go on changing the color ramp to create a new color ramp and take it to catalog CPT-City. Okay, and already the different styler designer has developed color for us. So I just go on topography and click on elevation, apply apply it, and classify it again and apply on all the changes. You can see now the DM look as beautiful as it should be. Thank you for your time. See you again.